first thing I want to do is to mix my flour and spices together. So I'm going to take 2 cups of all-purpose flour, salt, baking soda, 2 teaspoons of baking soda, 1/4 teaspoon of salt, 1 teaspoon of ground cinnamon, 1 teaspoon of ginger, and 1/4 teaspoon of cloves. I'm gonna mix that together. Just want to distribute the spices throughout the flour mixture and the baking soda so that this cookie will come together really quickly. Next, we'll move on to the sugar, which is brown sugar, and that's 1 cup of packed light brown sugar. We're going to put in 3/4 cup of oil, vegetable oil, and 1/4 cup of molasses. I just mix the 2 of them together, makes it easier. Mixing the molasses with the oil makes it easy for all the molasses to come out of the container. And 1 large egg. Now with a spoon, notice I'm not even using any electric equipment here. I'm going to mix the oil, the egg, and the molasses together until it's well combined. It's nice and glossy. Then, just all at once, I add the flour mixture. Start off gently, so I'm not wearing the flour mixture. You're gonna love making this cookie because one of the things is just the aroma of the cloves and the ginger, the cinnamon. It just makes it just such a satisfying experience to make these cookies because they smell so yummy, they come together so quickly. If you love baking and making things that are going to make people happy, you might as well get some enjoyment out of the process of it. And I love a recipe that is just satisfying to make. So you see how this becomes a thick batter, and that's the consistency of it. I'll show you. So it's a wet but thick batter. Now the next step is a bowl of granulated sugar. I didn't even measure it out. You can measure these out or not. Just a ball, about 1 inch ball, about like that. Roll it into the sugar and then place it on a cookie sheet. Again, so this is the process where kids just love to do this because it feels good. It's sort of like Play-Doh, and it's fun to roll the balls into the sugar. It's not messy. While you might think it's messy, it rolls up so very nicely. It smells good. I'm going to finish rolling these up, put them in a 375-degree oven for about 10 minutes. And they're probably going to have a little bit of a chewy consistency. I like them like that. If you like your ginger snaps to be a crisp snap, then you'd want to leave them in probably for 12 minutes. Here we go. It's taste test time. Let's see how pretty they are. I got about 26 cookies out of this batch. They're, I guess, about 3 inches across. And you can see, I'm going to show you how they don't snap. And inside, it's just a little bit of softness in there. So good. Gingersnap cookies. You're gonna love them.